Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am trying magnetic eyelashes from Amazon Prime. I've never tried magnetic eyelashes, so this will be interesting. So here's the packaging. They have this bad boy saran wrapped. So let's go ahead and open it. On the back of the box they do provide instructions on how to apply the magnetic eyelashes. So it says, shake the eyeliner, apply the magnetic eyeliner along your lash line, wait for it to dry. Use the tweezers to pick up the eyelashes. Put on the false eyelashes gently along the eyeliner. On the instructions, it does say to wait between 1 to 2 minutes for the eyeliner to dry. So normally it's 30 seconds, but I guess since this is magnetic eyelashes, it needs a little bit more time to dry. This is the set that they give. It's a whole kit. They provide eyelash applicators, 2 of their magnetic eyelash glues, and plenty of different lashes to choose from. Okay, so for this look, I think I'm going to choose these lashes right here. I like the ends. They look a little wispy and they kind of stick out. I need something that's going to match my eye makeup look right now. My eyelashes need to be dramatic, but not overly dramatic. So that one is the winner. Let's go ahead and apply these bad boys. So here I am trying to follow directions and this happens. I messed up my eye makeup. See, something was telling me to not follow the exact direction that this vendor gave because I have curly eyelashes and that requires special instructions. Okay, so my eyelashes are super curly, so I'm going to apply the glue directly to the eyelash. It should work either way. If you don't want your eye makeup to mess up just like it just messed up mine, go ahead and apply the glue directly to the eyelash. You find yourself upset. I'm upset because it took me a while to get this eye makeup look to look like this. Okay, so I am trying this application again, but I'm going to do it my way. I do have a very detailed eyelash application tutorial specialized for my fellow curly eyelashed individuals, so check that out for sure, especially since these instructions may not work for you neither. If you end up messing up your eye makeup trying to follow the instructions that this vendor provided, try to apply these magnetic eyelashes with my tips from my eyelash application tutorial or with the demonstration in this video. It doesn't hurt to try, right? See, look at that. See, when I did it my way, it worked out 10 times better. I will say that the eyelash fits my eyelid perfectly. Like, I didn't have to cut any part of the eyelash off, so that's awesome. But look at it, it's pretty. I wonder if this glue will work with regular false eyelashes. Like, it dried and it wasn't sticky, and literally when I applied the false eyelash, it stuck right to my eye without a problem. Like, it went straight into place. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. When I applied the magnetic eyelash my way, I did not have any issues, let alone any mishaps or mess ups, which is always the goal. Definitely check out my eyelash application tutorial. The tutorial link will be down in the description and linked to this video. Applying the magnetic eyelash to my other eye my way was a breeze, as you can see. Now I can move on. I'm going to curl my eyelashes up and then apply some mascara. Just to give these eyelashes just a little kick, I'm going to use Thrive Mascara. This mascara right here is good stuff. If you have curly eyelashes like me, definitely try applying the falsies how I did it. If you were able to follow those instructions with curly eyelashes, you let me know. You drop down your video link down in my comments because I want to see that happen, okay? I want to see that for myself, okay? Because there is no way that their instructions would have worked out for me 100%. Lashes are on, they look good. I am loving this lash kit. It was super easy to use. I am a happy customer. And I will say the tweezers that they give you, they're pretty strong. This is a good tweezer. Not as good as the ones, you know, that I sell in my store, but this is Good quality right there. I give it to them. Give you credit where it's due. I am excited to use the rest of these lashes in this set and then buy another set for myself to have. So if you see this on Amazon, go ahead and try it for yourself. That is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments. Let me know what you think. And be sure to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. Bye.